Hi friends, thank you so much for joining me once again on my channel. If you're new to this channel and you are interested in getting cleaning motivation or lifestyle and health talk and all that stuff to do with home interiors, then you are at the right place. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am so excited that you could join us today, and I would love for you to be part of this family. Today I'm sharing with you guys my favorite items around the home. If you are new here and you do not really know what I stand for, I am all about reusing, upcycling, recycling, and eliminating any environmentally harmful items from the home. So I try and use harmless cleaning products, and I've been eliminating plastic from my home for a while now. So you will pick up from my Decor, and you will pick up from just the layout around the home that I try to do away with a lot of plastic. So I highly recommend that we move toward that life where you do not have to use plastic, because one thing is, if you store food in plastic containers or water in plastic containers, what it does is that it contaminates your water. So it's best to use glass. I also do professional organizing, and if you're interested in that, I'll just link a video below where I was organizing my home, and you can get some motivation there. The other thing that I do is I also decorate homes. So if you are in the Johannesburg area or Pretoria, probably anywhere around Gauteng really I can get there, and you'd like help to decorate a small space or rental, or you're owning, or you just moved into a new place and you're overwhelmed, or you're about to move anyway, I help you with that. My company is called Tabeth Interiors and Lifestyle, and I will leave my email address below so that you can contact me for that. Let's get right into the video of all my favorites. My home design style at this point in time is eclectic. So it's a mixture of, all traditional, contemporary, minimalistic. In some rooms I go all minimalistic, and then in some rooms I use traditional furniture pieces. So that whole thing, and it actually goes with time. Sometimes I like minimalistic looks and I eliminate a lot of stuff in there, so I move around furniture in the home. So my design style is eclectic. My favorite room in the home, well, I don't know if I can really narrow down what my favorite is, so I'm gonna give you like one of my favorites. And my favorite room is our study. I like the study because the sunlight just penetrates in there, and we get to just work or hang out in there. Actually, we hang out a lot in the study than any other room around the home, which is so weird, but it's the warmest room in the house. And so because I also work from home, so yeah, this is my study. This is definitely not up to the standard that I like to decorate with, but because we didn't have much of a budget, we decided to shop around on things that we already had around the home and just put it all together. But in the long run, I'm going to be decorating. You need to keep coming back and checking out the videos. I'll show you how I decorate. I'm planning on just revamping it a little bit. So yeah, that's our study. My other favorite place or spot around the home, it is the area where we have our chairs in the lounge. Got these chairs on special at Currycraft, and really it was a bargain. I'm quite happy with the look and how it turned out in the home. It just makes it just brings a little bit of character from a room that was dull prior to us getting those chairs. I'm very particular about scents around the home. I think it is what sets the ambiance, what makes a home a home. That scent that is specific just to you, that scent that makes you happy and that picks you up after a long day at work, or that scent that just makes you feel that this room is clean. So sometimes you'll have a clean home, but then it smells like food. I hate the smell of food, by the way. But if you have candles, so my favorite scent is sandalwood. I love sandalwood. and anything oriental. So I have a combination of candles that are a mixture of sandalwood or straight up sandalwood, and then I have candle melters, just like this one, which I got at home etc. I'm literally purchased this at a tobacco store and they have very beautiful candle scents. So I highly recommend that you get candles to just bring beautiful scents around your home. Whether you're transitioning in seasons, you can just swap that around. And for me, like I also put scents in my car and I put scents in my handbag because it's very important for me to trigger that scent, that part of my life, to just, it picks me up whenever I'm feeling a little down, or it just makes me even more happier when I am happy. And then it's just so welcoming. When I have visitors, one thing that they always talk about is the scent that they smell when they come in the home. The other one of my favorite accessories around the home are plants. I am quite particular about plants, and not that I'm good, really. I'm struggling with all the plants that I have. Most of them have died, but I'm not giving up. I'm very, very particular about plants because they cleanse, they purify toxins around the home. So I recommend that you do that to cleanse your home, your space from the toxins that we bring, you know, from our day-to-day living, working, cooking, and all that stuff. It's quite important to put plants around. And not only does it purify the air, I mean, it just makes a place gorgeous, makes a place look beautiful. That touch of a natural green, or you know, the browns of the stems and all that, it just makes a home gorgeous. So you'll pick up that I have this plants. I got this one from my mom when I first got married, and it's been thriving now for 3 years. So if you're interested in me sharing with you the kind of plants that would last longer indoors, just leave me a comment below and I'll definitely share that with you. And by now you guys have noticed how much I am quite particular about how I keep my home clean. So I'm also as particular about the products that I use to clean the house. I try by all means to use non-harmful products around the home, not only because I think it's environmentally friendly, but because I've got kids around the home, and so I try to keep that as because we clean a lot. I don't want them to breathe in toxins and, you know, get them to get sick. They also have the eczema. It gets triggered by, you know, anytime that we use, whether it's scented stuff or any stuff that is not natural, or products that might be harmful otherwise in the home. So I try to be very pedantic about that. So my favorite cleaning products around the home are vinegar, plain old vinegar. I've been using it now for years. I use vinegar in my laundry. I use vinegar in my dishwashing soap. I use vinegar in cleaning. I use vinegar to remove stains. I mean, I use vinegar basically in every part of the home life. I can guarantee you it is the cheapest thing that you can get, and it is the one thing that is the most powerful. Most of us spend so much money buying other products because we assume that they'll make the home clean, and yet the cheapest and the safest are right there, and that's vinegar. The second one is bicarbonate soda. I did a whole video on just how much I love bicarbonate soda. That's how much I love it. So a combination of bicarbonate soda and vinegar is amazing. I mean, this week we just recently cleaned our oven and we used dishwashing soap, bicarbonate soda and vinegar, and that's it, and it's good as new. So if you're interested in that and you'd like me to show you some more cleaning videos where I use those products, leave me a comment below as well. I'd like to hear from you. And then the third one would be alcohol. So any kind of alcohol. The best alcohol to use in cleaning is vodka. It's good in disinfecting. It is very strong, and if you need to disinfect any surfaces, use vodka. You just combine it with water. drop a little bit of essential oils to eliminate that alcoholic scent, and you're good to go. And then I like rubbing alcohol. It is also perfect for disinfecting. I also have another video on disinfecting, and I'm going to leave the link below if you would like to see how I disinfect the home. My other favorite item around the home is glass. So when it comes to glass, I use glass to store my microfibers. I love the look of it on top of the counter next to the sink. It just adds to the decor, and then it's also easy to reach if I need the microfiber cloth. And then I store my water in glass as well, so I literally just put water, lemon, or any infusion that we prefer for that day, and then I just leave it out on the counter for people to drink through the course of the day. Just, you know, when you see stuff a lot, I can bet you will use it as often as possible. So I try to get the family the culture of drinking water, so that's why I just make it look cute and it's on the counter. You will notice I also have glass in the bathroom. I keep my cotton buds, my cotton discs, and hand soap in the bathroom. And then in the kitchen, I keep my dish soap also in the glass jar. It makes the home feel cozy and luxurious. And then you will pick up that most of my decor pieces as well, my vases, glass. I'm trying to move away from transparent glass and just getting maybe ceramic vases or ceramic jars, just to give it a more traditional look. But I'm more of your clean lines, transparent and all that. My other favorite room is my bedroom. I just love the minimalistic look. Not so much favorite really the room. I just like the minimalistic look that we have. I prefer that to keep the bedroom so simple, because it's a place where you just want to come and just, you know, turn off everything and just wind down the day. Thank you so much for watching. These were my favorite items and favorite spaces around the home. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button right there in the corner of the screen, and hit the little bell as well, so that you can get a notification every single time that I upload a video, and that is every single Thursday. I am going to leave my social media right here on the screen, so that you can also head on over to my Instagram, my Facebook, my LinkedIn, my Twitter, and we can chat there on a daily basis. I would love for you to be part of this family. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.